Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable contents on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select Privacy and Safety. Tap on Content You See. Disable the button that reads Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Now you have successfully disabled sensitive content on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.